The First World War proved the value of machine guns, and the development of weapons such as aircraft also pointed out a new direction for the development of machine guns, which is large-caliber heavy machine guns. Under this trend, Italy actively conducted related technical research after the war, and the Fiat-SAFAT 12mm heavy machine gun is the result. Regarding the development of large-caliber heavy machine guns, although Italy was a step slower than other countries, it did not fall too far behind. In July 1927, Italy held a high-level military technology conference, led by General Armando Armani, the Chief of Staff of the Italian Air Force. This meeting decided on the plan to develop large-caliber heavy machine guns, which could be used for anti-aircraft, anti-tank combat, and aircraft equipment. After discussion, it was considered that the caliber of the weapon should find a balance between weight and power, and that 12mm was enough to meet the requirements. However, the development of this weapon also attracted bids from foreign companies, and well-known enterprises such as Hachikis and Vickers also participated and presented their own products. Italy itself presented the Fiat heavy machine gun, the development of which began as early as 1926. Designer Giuseppe Mascaracci made improvements based on the 6.5mm machine gun. Initially, the designers did not consider much, and intended it to be used as a naval weapon, to be equipped on ships to strafe torpedo boats and torpedoes. The Fiat heavy machine gun is a very heavy machine gun. The preliminary design weight in 1926 reached 41 kilograms, which was heavier than other heavy machine guns. The M2 heavy machine gun, including the heavy tripod, weighed only about 50 kilograms, while the Fiat heavy machine gun's air-cooled barrel did not pass the test. The version used by the Navy needed to be equipped with a water-cooled jacket and a naval machine gun mount, with a total weight of 218 kilograms. Even the land-based air-cooled version weighed 190 kilograms. In the redesigned 1928 version, the length and grip of the gun were improved, with a focus on reducing the weight of the machine gun. The new design of the heavy machine gun body weighed only about 20 kilograms, and the total weight with the tripod was reduced to 110 kilograms. The gun used a 10, 20, 25, or 30-round magazine, with a theoretical maximum firing rate of about 400 rounds per minute, a muzzle velocity of about 940 meters per second, and an overall length of about 1.8 meters. There is some controversy about the caliber of the gun, as some people believe that Italy would not choose such a rare 12mm caliber, but rather a 12.7mm caliber. However, most still believe that the 12mm caliber is correct, in line with Italy's unconstrained style. The choice of 12mm is completely understandable. In the competition tests, Italy's Fiat heavy machine gun and Breda heavy machine gun both failed, and the Vickers heavy machine gun was also rejected, but the Hachiki's 13.2mm heavy machine gun emerged victorious. After negotiating with Hachikis, Italy modified the ammunition and began production. Given Italy's level at the time, being able to independently design and produce such a heavy machine gun placed it as one of the world's leading industrial nations. However, compared to other more advanced countries, Italy's technological level still needed improvement, especially in metal smelting and processing. In addition to its reliability, the Fiat 12mm heavy machine gun was not very suitable for combat due to its technical performance and size. Its bulky size was not a problem when used on warships, but when used on land, it limited mobility. As for using it on aircraft as an aerial machine gun, it was completely impossible. Which aircraft could carry a machine gun weighing over 100 kilograms for combat? The weight of the machine gun was not worth the effort given the weight of the machine gun versus the weight of the aircraft's cannon. In addition, the gun also had poor sustained firepower, and as for using it on warships to strafe incoming torpedoes, this was probably overstating its capabilities. Could a 12mm machine gun aim and shoot at a target at the first opportunity? Could the small capacity magazine give the shooter a chance to correct their aim? Could 12mm ammunition pose a real threat to torpedoes running 2 to 3 meters underwater?